Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact Not launching problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just restart your PC and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. Now just try to launch it again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Right click on your PC, go to NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait. Now click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and after that click here and close all the applications here, applications that you don't need, and also close Chrome if it's running. And that's it. Then just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.